Ekugcineni Inkosi uShaka yabe esihlalweni sayo sobukhosi on the 3rd episode of Shaka Ilembe, and I must say the episode was so emotional and beautiful to watch, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by holding down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So this week's episode started with uSomveli, and for those who don't know, uSomveli usebenzisana noZwide to try and take down uDingiswayo. So uSomveli bado ukhuluma nomunye wakwaZwide ebatshela ngokuthi abathethwa bayahamba bayotrade edala Bay. Then on the next scene, kwaNobamba, uZulu is preparing for Shaka's coronation, and while the preparations were underway, Shaka had a dream ephupha inkabi yenkomo efuna umhlasela. Kanti ke uthe mayevuka leyo nkomo ayiphophile beyingena ilethe uDingane noMpande. I don't know about you guys, but for me it was great seeing Wenzo Ngcobo on the show and knowing that he'll be there till Shaka's death, meaning that even in season 3 he'll still be there. The only thing that I hate about his character is the fact that you're gonna have to hate him now for killing Isilo, but then we're gonna talk more about that as more episodes air. So le nkomo le abayilethile uDingane felt sick. Then isangoma comes and tell everyone who was on the call that there's a dark cloud looming, which got Nani to be very worried, thinking that someone bewitched Ushaka. Oh, and I forgot to mention this, while all of these events were taking place, Ushaka uhlezi nabantu abadala who were busy preparing him for the throne together with iSanusi. Lesakhilu ujamba samtshela ukuthi Ushaka uyoba inkosi. So iSanusi siza Ushaka ukuthi abonane nobaba wakhe usenza ngakhona on this scene, which is a very emotional scene as well. And if you ask me, these bomb shelter guys have their own way of making this scene to feel real and relatable. Just like the scenes where usenza ngakhona kicked Shaka out. You know, I don't have daddy issues, but yabona laphayana, like I felt like ubaba wami nami ngempela wahamba wangishiya. So those scenes really feel relatable. Now there's this one scene that disappointed me. A scene where Shaka was supposed to fight Lion. I actually feel that this scene was too basic. Yabona bekufuna ibe dramatic with a lot of action. I don't think Shaka was supposed to kill that lion so easily. Bekufuna balo, you know, that drama to Ushaka was tough. He killed a whole lion. Imagine Konto. Yeah, lion, which was not that interesting. But then it happened the way it happened. Now let's go to another scene. A scene where uZwide noNtombazane betshela uNtombazane ukuthi kumele uhehe uDingiswayo. Now I don't know how this whole thing is going to work, because to me ayiwenza umqondo. So while uZwide sends her daughter to seduce uDingiswayo, he also sends his son uNomahlanjana to go and steal the trading goods of abathethwa. And in that process, he wants uDingiswayo to know that he's the one who stole those trading goods and expect him to go to war with uDingiswayo. Like, I'm really lost on this one. What could that mean? Does it mean that uZwide has been on doing something to uDingiswayo before going to war with him? Angazi kuningi with the storyline. But then uNtombazane finally does as she was instructed by uZwide noNtombazane. She finally meets with uDingiswayo, and by the look of things, Ntombazane managed to attract Dingiswayo's attention before they got disturbed by uSomveli. So this episode ilandelayo ukubona ukuthi izokwenzakalani kule relationship lena. And going back to kwaNobamba, which was the most interesting part on the episode. Now I think I've already mentioned how relatable today's episode was. Now watching Ushaka ngene esibayeni nalo lonke usiko lakwaZulu lokubeka inkosi, man, this was so beautiful to watch, and I think these visuals speak for themselves. Just Iman Bafethu. Okay, and the name of this guy is Zeno Peterson, I'm not sure. I know Bafethu. No, those visuals, they were out of this world. Like Uzeno is the director of photography, so I think the one was directing that whole thing. Bafethu heck. No, man, you know, that was so beautiful. I mean, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. And this was the last scene of the episode. Oh, and before the last scene, remember what I've mentioned earlier on this video, ukuthi uZwide sent uNomahlanjana noSoshangana ukuthi bahambe bayothatha all the trading goods abathethwa and then seize them. So bahlangene ekugcineni. Kodwa instruction was saying that as much as bazothatha yonke into, akumelanga babulale noyedwa umuntu. By the look of things, uNomahlanjana has plans to kill every one of them Thethwa clan, but then we're gonna have to confirm that on the next episode. So with all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. So do comment in the comment section, share thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Listen, catch you again on the next one.